here are all the basic supplies you need to get started on any Bargello project. The first thing we'll talk about is what we actually do the stitching with, and this is called tapestry wool. This is 100% wool, and it's basically like a worsted weight yarn, but the advantage to using this over just any other yarn is that it comes in hundreds of colors, so you can get some really amazing patterns and color play in your Bargello projects. And also it is sort of spun and created with just the right weight and twist and texture so that your stitches fill in nice and evenly. So it's just a really great, reliable product to use for your Bargello. The next thing you'll need is needles. We always use size 18 tapestry needles for all of our projects. That's just the exact right size for the tapestry wool and the canvas that we use. And the thing that's great about tapestry needles for this particular use is that they have a really large eye, which is ideal for fitting the tapestry wool through. And they have a blunt tip. They're not sharp, and we don't need or want a sharp point since we're working on an open mesh canvas. Next, you'll need some really sharp, small scissors, and you definitely want some good little scissors so that you can snip your tapestry wool nice and cleanly, and that helps a lot. And finally, you'll need the surface that you'll actually do your stitching on, and we use two different types of canvas for our projects. One is needlepoint canvas. This is a 12 count needlepoint canvas, and the other is plastic canvas, and this is a 10 count plastic canvas. We use both of these for different applications, and we're going to talk a little bit more in the next video about which one of these to choose and when. But for now, these are all the goodies you need to get started on any Bargello project.